girl.
Hey girl. Hey, oh, lie down there. Hey, two girls want to be me and my friends' friends?
No.
Come on.
Yeah.
That wasn't funny.
Cool.
Of course. You want to be your friends? Yeah,
Bästa vänner.
of course. Yeah, why not? Alright,
Are you a lesbian?
pick up some clothes and then we start to be friends.
Sure, my clothes.
Oh yeah, let's go.
1 hour later.